Hey guys, just want to make a quick video. Common problem that's happening on the 5-liter engine in the Land Rovers and Jaguars use a similar engine. Chain noise. It gets pretty bad. It's starting to become more common. I wanted to show the easy way to deal with this. A couple of things to take note of. First off, the crankshaft bolt. There's two different designs for this bolt. One is a 12.9, which is what this one is. You can see it's a 12. The other is a 10.9. 12.9s are reverse thread, and the 10.9s are standard thread. So when you're taking this crank bolt out, you need to know which one you have to know which way to turn it to get it out. You can take the front of the car off if you want. I didn't do that, but you can use an impact. I made a counterhold tool for the crankshaft, so I didn't have to take the front off. I just prop it up against the frame rail over here and can get that out. Easy way to do this, the manufacturer wants you to take the valve covers off, hold the camshafts with the cam holding tools, everything at top dead center. It takes quite a bit more time. What we're doing here is we're using zip ties to hold the camshafts in position. By crisscrossing like this, you're pulling the cams in both directions so they don't want to move now. I also like to mark, you can see I used an etch on that right there and on the gear. Just put marks in, that way if something does move on you, you have a reference. You can see my mark here, the mark on the crank. Now this chain I have loose, so it's up one from where it should be. Basically, lock the cams in like this on both sides. Mark everything in case it moves, in case you lose a zip tie or something. And then you can slide your new tensioners in from the bottom. So basically, this one goes on this side, and you're able to fish that up through. This side tends to be more difficult because it is on a chain that's behind this front chain. So I like to have them both off when trying to put the back one in. It gives just a play with this chain here. Back ones typically you have to fish in like this, and then you'll end up turning it to get it into place fully. It does take a little bit of doing, but it's possible. It goes in. The update for why these things are making noise is right here. This is a steel button that's been put into the guide. The original guides do not have that steel button. And what is happening is, one, the tensioner itself is extended too far, so it's not holding proper tension. The other is they believe that the tensioners could be digging into this guide and kind of creating more of a recess. I haven't seen any that show considerable signs of where they're digging in, but this button does, keep things from being overextended. Tightens the chains up. You want to make sure you use new tensioners when you do this as well. Generally, the old tensioners are worn out from moving so much. When you have chain noise, they're moving in and out quite rapidly. Part numbers you're looking for. This is the tensioner. They come individually, so you'll get 2 tensioners and 2 guides. Again, this is the easy way to do it. Takes considerable less time than pulling the valve covers and dealing with locking everything at top dead center. Thanks for watching.